Welcome to my channel, Plant-Based Storm. I'm Stormy, and today it's all about making a healthy crunch wrap. In order to have your crunch wrap come out healthier, use the air fryer to crisp up regular corn tortillas and set it at 370 for 10 minutes, and they'll come out nice and crunchy, and you didn't have to fry them in oil. And when it comes out of the air fryer, it's nice and crispy. Put it on a large burrito flour tortilla, and then you can put whatever toppings you desire. Here it's refried beans, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, serrano peppers, can't forget the hot sauce, and some lime and plant-based cheese and jalapeno crema. Just use whatever sounds good to you, and it'll come out delicious. After you get your toppings on, fold the flour tortilla into the center of the crunch wrap, and then fold the next piece on top of that and on top of that until you get it closed up all the way around. And you're just going to continue to make your crunch wraps, and once I get these completed, I will show you how I get the outside of the crunch wrap nice and brown without adding any extra oil. So I like to use a panini press. You could actually use a non-stick skillet if you wanted to. The panini press is really handy because it browns it on the top and bottom at the same time. I use a medium heat, and that's quite literally all you have to do. These are so easy, simple, and delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so that you can receive future content. Thank you so much for watching.